Sana mwancho murigaria sensemega ya kabere mesane ya maya kurenso kensemo hegendrete na bono tuguska bosia sorobotiro kubwatia he komiti yobomo heyo ya chorwa no muraibwense kurwa serikali na bwega serikali ya county gocha kurigeria magendro no kugendrwa we county ya Nairobi nigo inse yobonya kiroko bwayo mugavana we county ya Nairobi Mheshimiwa Johnson SAKAJA ritukoria rero bakorege karo kya bene herikoringoria hayo aberega kweneki wa samatu kabwango iga kubwatekana nembure nyinge yabereke gutwa so mugavana atebire nige komiti yo yabekire EMEROBERIO yogocha kurigeria chinsemo ao chirikyanyora sara enyinge yembure yabereke gutwa banyara ko bago konyo na kweneki abunango etanga bare kubwatekana nembura andake irache gutwa ase amatuko alebosi.
The committee noted the significant damage caused by the sustained heavy rains to drainage systems and road networks across the city. Now, to address this, Kura, where a lot of the roads are, Kenha for the expressway, Mombasa Road, Uhuru Highway, and the other related infrastructure, the Nairobi Rivers Commission, Nairobi Water and Sewerage Company, and the county government mobility sector have been directed to submit a comprehensive joint assessment and costed plan within 48 hours, focusing on the road corridors and infrastructure most affected by the floods. All these agencies, as we speak, are sitting together, and the engineers in the sub-county are doing this assessment. They shall report back to us when the implementation committee